Alistair McClymont is the lawyer acting for Nikki and Parwinterjit Singh. He's acted for many of the Indian students. He says what concerns him most about this case is that Immigration New Zealand's own officer assessed their relationship, found it genuine, stated it met instructions under the family partnership category and supported approval.
Well, they went to their house and they visited the family. They saw the extended whānau. They saw Pali with the baby. They were very supportive of the relationship. They said this is definitely a very genuine and stable partnership, and they have no concerns about it whatsoever.
And I have here the statement of Immigration New Zealand officer, who I won't name, who says, "I'm satisfied all immigration instructions have been met under the family partnership category. I therefore recommend the application be approved in principle." Yes,
it's fairly normal that you get the officer who makes the initial decision will recommend an approval, and then it goes to the next level up, the management level, and seems to be a different philosophy at play once you get to that level.
And so what's going on? Is it, because no one is disputing that Pali was an overstayer, right?
Correct.
So is it that the overstaying overrides the family partnership criteria?
At the moment, the need to punish people for overstaying and to create a deterrence for people to do this again seems to override pretty much everything else, including having New Zealand citizen spouses, children with medical problems, New Zealand citizen children, the need to keep a family together. Nothing else matters except the need to punish and to deter.
Are you saying that Immigration New Zealand are being excessively punitive?
Yes, and this is a change because 10 years ago you would have never seen these sorts of things. Something has happened within the underlying philosophy of the immigration system in this country over the recent years that this has now become the only way in which they can run an immigration system is to punish, regardless of the humanitarian pain that it's causing and the pain for these young, innocent New Zealand citizen children who will have a Christmas with no father. And I would guess it would be hundreds of families waking up on Christmas morning who will be in exactly the same situation.
Hundreds?
Hundreds. I mean, I could go and look at least a dozen files that I have in my office now where I know families will be separated, New Zealand citizen children who won't have their fathers here. I've talked to other immigration lawyers and advisors who say, yeah, I've probably got a dozen as well. Once you do the maths, we'd definitely come up with hundreds.
Alistair, this is going to be a difficult question because Immigration New Zealand themselves say that Nikki and Pali were absolutely a couple, full stop.
Yep.
But is the risk, and I don't want to sound like some kind of moral majority gatekeeper here, but is the risk citizenship by conception? Does Immigration New Zealand have to have some control over the rigorous assessment of what a family is?
You know, what is the cost of this, and why does everybody have to be tarred with the same brush? I mean, yes, there are people that come and enter into marriages of convenience, and yes, there are couples that separate, but as soon as you decide that every single Indian person that comes here and has a partnership with a Māori or Pacific Island woman, that those relationships are all fake and the kids are not genuine and they must be punished for this, then you have the risk that you're going to destroy a lot of young people's lives and have a lot of children that are going to grow up without a mother and father, the sort of things that we take for granted.
Alistair McClymont, what did Immigration New Zealand say? Well, they weren't available for an interview tonight, but they provided us with a statement a short time ago from Area Manager Marcel Foley. It says Immigration New Zealand considers partnership applications very carefully and needs to be satisfied that the relationship is genuine, stable and likely to endure. Mr Singh is an excluded person as he has been prohibited from entering New Zealand for 5 years after he self-deported. The officer assessing the application acknowledged that the couple were in a genuine and stable relationship that is likely to endure, but that was outweighed by the fact that Mr Singh had been unlawful in New Zealand for over 1.5 years and had not shown any remorse for his past actions.